Hi guys, today we are gonna walk through Gantry Plaza State Park and we're gonna end up towards Hunters Point South Park. If you are new to this channel has a variety of niches like cooking, travel, hacks, and daily East West life. So join me as we explore our daily lives. Anyhow, so right here at Gantry Plaza, as we say, it's about 12 acres riverside oasis that has spectacular views of Midtown Manhattan and its skyline. Formerly a dock yard and manufacturing district. Now it is transformed into a nice, beautiful, relaxing park. Yeah. I am now at Hunters Point South Park, and this park is about 10 acres and has a magnificent view of the Midtown East Skyline. They even have a volleyball court.